morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We're here in beautiful Cabo San Lucas and we're on our way to La Paz, which is about a 2-hour drive, but we're going to swim with whale sharks this morning. It's gonna be super fun.
Yeah, we've been trying to do this the whole trip and we're on like our last 2 days right now, so
yeah, it's
fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. It's about a 2-hour drive, but it is the whale shark season, so I think we're gonna see some whale sharks this morning. Super excited, ready to go. Let's go. We got Colton, Carson's brother. Finally made it to La Paz. It's beautiful out here. Check out the sign. Getting ready for the whale sharks. Super excited. The water's crazy blue over here. I don't know how you'd launch your boat here because this seems kind of gnarly. There it is, the whale shark. I think it's gonna be a lot bigger than that.
Once we get to the area, what I do is I jump, I raise my arm, that means I have the shark next to me. Then you go, when the captain let you know, you go, and I have the shark next to me. Okay? So, and the reason why we can see the whale shark, because it's in a shallow area. It's in a shallow area, and the shark eats mostly on the surface. That's why we can see them. So, there is 3 main rules, very easy to follow. First, the most important rule is we don't touch the shark. Okay? That's the most important rule. We don't touch the shark. Second rule, maximum 5 people every time you eat. So it's gonna be me plus 5 people. And rule number 3, obey 1 and 2 rules.
So things are a little bit weird. Everything's super regulated. We have to wear either a life jacket or a wetsuit. And we're not allowed to dive down. Obviously not touch them, but yeah, this should be very interesting. we're all like, huh? I don't know about this life jacket thing or the wetsuit. What are your thoughts about this one, babe? We're both kind of like, what is going on here? It's not as advertised, but hopefully we get to see one. That's all we really care. But definitely probably can't get any good photos. But so we're waiting for the authorities to call us, so we're able to go buy one. It's a very interesting process here.
Once they get us clearance to get in, we have 2 hours to find, clean, and look.
bit skeptical with all the regulations, but that was an awesome experience. No wonder they're so regulated. They're such massive animals. They're so big. So if you're anywhere in southern Baja, Cabo, La Paz, you have to come to La Paz and dive with the whale sharks. It's a once in a lifetime experience. Everybody on the boat loved it. Beautiful. Thank you to our captain and the crew. We're heading back to town. Hopefully get some food.